Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. This is Ayoub Ghallab. I'm a senior tech customer support rep. I was doing that since 2012. I was doing that as a full-time, then I moved to be doing it as a freelancer. So yeah, this is a video to explain to you and give you some idea and help you to move from full-time job to a freelancer. So it will not be easy as you think, but you're gonna need some patience and money. Yeah, money. Because the first time I wanted to move to work as a freelancer, the first thing was I need more money because the full-time job doesn't pay a good money. So I'm working from 8 to 6. From 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and getting less money, so it was not good for me. That's why I tried to find something else. Then I come across freelance. 2012, it was not something known, working as a freelancer, but I tried to search on the internet. I found a website called Odesk. That time it was Odesk. Now it's Upwork. Yeah, I'm still working on Upwork. I have many clients on Upwork. I'm still working as a freelancer on Upwork as a customer support agent, technical customer support agent. Yeah. So I was working with the HP, I don't know. HP, Hewlett Packard. From 2008 to 2010, then moved to Dell Computer. It was Dell Computer. Now it's Dell. I don't know the new name, the new brand. It's Dell Technologies, yeah. So 2010, I moved to Dell Technologies. Then to 2012, I got married. I have got a little girl. So then I needed more money. So I started working on small projects like translation, SAU, customer support with Amazon, with Google, something like that. Small projects, but paid good. The payment was good. The time I do that is once I finish my full-time job during the day, I have some hours before I go to sleep, 3 hours. So I try to invest 2 or 3 hours during the night before I go to sleep to work on some projects. The first time I have to keep posting and contacting the clients for about 6 months without getting any offer, any job, any project. After 7 months, I started getting new projects. Then I have got a payment. I was very happy. I remember it's about $350, yeah, for a big project with the Google Maps, yeah. So then I started getting more and more projects, small projects, and most of the time I do that during the nights or while I have day off or even during the weekend. So the most important for me was to get money and more money. I was young, I had power. So then 2017, as I have got too many projects, I have got too many online works with Upwork, with other agencies, translation agencies. I had also some clients that I was working with them as a customer support agent. So I had enough money with them. That's why I quit Dell full-time job and I decided to focus on the freelance. Then the story began. It was a good choice for me, in my case. Yeah, because I had the time, I had the full day to do as many projects as I want. I was doing customer support. Sometimes I do phone calls, audit. Sometimes I do translation. Sometimes I do. I have also some channels, other channels than this one, YouTube channels. I have one for the weather that I invest too many time working on this channel because it's a good one. So I had enough time during the day to do many things and get more money than I got when I was working as a full-time agent. So that's why I decided to move and work as a freelancer. I'm still working as a freelancer now. It's 10 years since I quit there. Not 10 years, maybe 7. Yeah, 7 years. And I'm so happy. The first thing that I have decided is to move from the big city. I was living in a big city, so I decided to move from this one because a big city need more money. And I don't know. That was a decision. My wife told me that we don't need to stay in a big city. Everything is expensive. The school for the kids is expensive. The food are expensive. The having an apartment or a house is expensive. So everything is expensive, and that's why we have moved to a small city near of the capital. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's quiet, no many people. So it's good. It was a good thing. Now I have 2 apartments, one where we live and another one it's here. I have decided to make it as a studio and at the same time a place where I have to work. So just to let my brain think that I'm in the workplace. So when my brain thinks that I'm in a workplace, I can do more, I can work, and I can get the energy. So I don't feel now that I'm in my house, but I feel now that I'm in the office. I have to work. I'm here to work. So yeah, it's I have got a computer where I do my customer support work. I have a Mac where I do some graphic things and media related things. I have also this mic that I use to record for the YouTube channels. So yeah, it's a good place. I feel I'm happy with this decision. That's why I wanted to share it with you. I will give you more details about my experience since 2012 to 2023. If you are going to move from full-time to freelance, follow my channel and I will give you more information about it. Just one big advice to you. It's to not move directly from full-time to freelance. It's not easy. Take your time. Try to start step by step. Keep the full-time. Then try to start step by step with small projects. Keep that full-time jobs a source of money. At the same time, try to invest the nights, day off, weekend, holiday, and do small projects. Then, step by step, you will get more projects, more clients. But then, when you think that you are getting enough money from that freelance, then you can quit the full-time jobs and start looking for new projects. That's how you can do. So this is just an opening for my experience. I will share with you other advices. I will also tell you more details about my life and how I'm doing with this freelance projects. But in grosso modo, I'm sorry for my English because I'm a native French speaker. In general, working as a freelancer is a very good idea. It's a good choice. So think about it, and if you are thinking about it, follow my videos. And next video will be in 1 week. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day there. Goodbye.